Last time we got together, we talked about using the right oil for the vehicle application when performing a routine oil change for your customer. But if you don't take time to choose a good quality oil filter as well, choosing the right oil isn't going to make much of a difference. And that's the topic for today's Mighty Minute. The oil filter is vital to the health of the engine. It has to filter out and contain all the contaminants and fine metallic debris that occur as part of normal engine wear and tear, in addition to any of the byproducts that might occur as part of normal oil degradation. The size of these contaminants is measured in microns, and to give you an idea of just how big a micron is, a single grain of table salt is about 100 microns in size. So just how small a particle can a filter trap? Well, the standard used for testing is 20 microns, but most quality automotive filters can trap particles as small as 15 microns in size. Even so, not all filters are created equal. Some filters are capable of capturing a higher percentage of these smaller yet critical particles than others. Another factor to consider is the capacity of the filter. It has to be able to hold on to all the collected contaminants and debris it's collected through its normal service life without becoming saturated. Now, should it become saturated, whether due to missing a regularly scheduled service interval or having selected a poor quality filter, it's going to be possible for some of that contaminated oil to find its way back into the lubrication system. Now, this contaminated oil and everything it holds acts like a honing fluid and will accelerate the wear on the engine's mechanical parts, and that could lead to premature failure. Both efficiency and capacity are largely determined by the type of filter media used. Most quality automotive filters use cellulose synthetic fiber blends that trap about 93% of debris down to 20 microns in size. These blends are the choice of OEMs and are used in all Mighty filters. Are you considering extending your customer's drain interval? Best be sure to use a filter design not only with the extra capacity needed to meet the longer use, but also one with a quality anti-drainback valve and gasket that will go the distance. One more factor to consider when selecting an oil filter for your customer. Look at the overall construction of the filter. Is the body of the filter robust enough to withstand high pressure? Does the filter use a quality anti-drainback valve that will keep the filter filled between starts, especially critical on cold starts? Is the filter media backed with cardboard or something a little more robust? And finally, does the filter design meet the same specifications that the OEM uses for its own filters? Of course, there's one way to take the mystery out of selecting oil filters. Simply stock up on the Mighty Engine Guard and Max brands. Thanks for watching.